Hello guys, today we're going... I messed up. Let me redo that. Hello guys, today we're going to be doing a tier list of a bunch of random photos that I picked. So number 1 is the creature. And the creature shall go into S tier. And the furry license shall go into the A tier. I honestly think that this meme that I made, it goes in A tier too. I'd say B. This one, which I was going to make, which was this literally just floppa, I put it in D tier because I never actually used it. No Ear Yes Vibe Cat, he's going into S tier. The Deep Fried Salad Cat, or Salad Cat, he'd go into B. The Hingon Do a Flip, yeah, it's going in A. This Protogen thing, I'd say C. This cat, or not, my cat that I took a picture of, he goes in, or she goes in B. The silly Glognut, but deep fried, goes in C. This guy that I drew goes in B. Another one of my cats goes in A. Cause, yeah, he a goober. The actual goober, I'd say goes in C because I never actually use it. A Snarpy that I found on Google goes in B. And Low Polyfloppa, he go in here.